welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a great long weekend for 4th of July, and if you're out of the country and don't celebrate on 4th of July, that's okay. So, if you're new to my channel, I'm Maya, pleased to meet you. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button with that bell on so that when you can't miss new videos, I post them once a week. And we did do the activities we did some activities for 4th of July, and I did vlog it, but however, I'm going to show you guys my own DIY nails. The polka dots represent stars, and red and white represent the stripes as American flag. So I found it on Pinterest. If you guys are interested, and link in the description below, they will give you some directions to do that. Without further ado, if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is you want to put a clear base coat on. I prefer 2 or 3 layers of it so it helps you to stain your nails. Then you're going to need blue, red, and white to make an American flag. Blue and white represent the stars, and red and white represent stripes. Alright, that is my American flag art design. Oh wait, did I forget something? Oh yeah, the fast drying coat. Once that design's dry for 10 to 15 minutes, add the 2 or 3 layers of dry top coat. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like the video. Comment down below what design nail art should I do next time. And if you guys will look above the chart, many percentage, well 79% of people haven't subscribed yet, so please show me some love by supporting me, and I'll be reached 600 subscribers, and I know this is a little struggle for me, so I know I try my best, so please support me. And of course, like other YouTubers is on my channel, link in the bio. So hope to see y'all next time. You guys have an amazing day. I love y'all, and bye.